Okay, so first I want to go over my audience. So my audience would most likely be parents and or soon-to-be parents, um, people that might already have children in elementary school, people that might go to restaurants that I've placed these flyers at to eat, that kind of thing. Um, I want them to know about the center and I need them to know about what we focus on, so that's how I've developed most of my materials. And then I plan on distinguishing my center from others just by always being involved in the environment. If there's like a 5K going on, showing up and wearing our shirts as like a staff, giving like my staff bonus points for like doing things like that, just so we're out and about in the community and people constantly see us. We're welcoming, we're friendly, we talk to people, things like that. Kind of like a pageant queen. You would recognize a pageant queen due to the fact that you've seen her picture and you've heard about her interviews or whatever. So I guess taking it from that portion, point of view into a daycare point of view. So this is my brochure that I made. It says Bumblebees and ABCs, which is the name of my center. Buzz through this brochure and check out what we have to offer. There's only one Bumblebees and ABCs. On the second little portion, it's a threefold brochure. I've put our goals. So to provide your child with a developmentally appropriate program, to foster the whole child aspect, then to develop just domains of development to meet the child on the individual basis versus like a whole class basis. Foster learning through play and allow children to learn through the environment. Then I have our address down here as well as our website. On the back, I just have what I think is important to get to the happy center, happy family aspect and point of view. So first, we want a welcoming environment, friendly staff, and wise administration. Then that's going to lead to happy families, caregivers, parents, and happy staff. And then ultimately, we're going to come out with happy children with a positive environment for learning, which is what our main focus is. I put our tuition, just like a little glimpse of our tuition. More details are on the website, so this is just kind of like, hey, here it is. All of our classrooms have one lead teacher, one assistant, and one floater, and then an annual fee. I put our mission on here because I think that's one of the other most important things when I'm looking for a center. I'm looking for their goals and ambitions. I'm looking for the environment that it's in, the aesthetics of the center, and then what their mission is. Because if I want my children to go there, those are going to be the things that are important when they first start out and when I first look into a center. So our mission is on the back. It goes over how we promote social, emotional, intellectual, and physical development for all of our children. We provide the adaptations and modifications to ensure that children that have special needs can fully participate in the activities. And then we focus on developmentally appropriate curriculum. So that is my brochure. And then, so the next thing that we're going to look at is the business cards. So our business cards would just be the Bumblebees and ABCs, the address, and then my contact information. Our tagline is on the design. So I added that there just so everything was kind of laid out for you guys to see. Advertisements you'll see in just a moment, and then also we'll hang the business cards on ad boards in local stores, dine-in restaurants, and coffee shops, as well as elementary schools, along with publicly advertising with ourself going to events. Our county is about to have a 5K mutter, so going to an event, forming a team, and having people show up for that would be super cool. My press release is here. Oldham County, Kentucky. Are you looking for a center that's focused on the development of your child with small ratios and educated staff? Look no further. Bumblebees and ABCs, we have exactly what you need and want for your child, ages 6 weeks to 6 years. We are open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and we have educated staff that all have diplomas. It also goes over our events that we're going to have, our open house on the 15th and the 25th. There's going to be tours of the facility, animals, the fire department, and the health department. Snacks will be provided because we're going to be, snacks, I guess, be provided because that's kind of helpful when you have children around. If you give them a snack, it gives them a little bit of something to do, especially if we're filling new spots for our center. It goes over all of our contact information on the side to the left. And then lastly, I'm about to show you our advertisement. these are the lovely kids that you guys have heard me talk about all semester. This is Ty and this is JC. I live with them. We also have an infant in the house. Well, I say infant. He turns 1 tomorrow, so Saturday. I'm really excited for you guys to see this video. It's super short, but it's super cute, and so this would be our advertisement wherever we could display it. I know that our local car shops have TVs that have ads on them that you could submit from your business, so this was something that I was thinking about doing with this advertisement for my center if I was really opening my center.
Enroll your kids in Bumblebees and ABCs.
I hope you guys had a great semester, and thank you for watching.